What's up, guys? Today I want to talk to you about my love and hate relationship with reusable pens. Now, I know most of you probably have about a trillion gazillion pens somewhere flying around in drawers and places where you don't even know. Start looking, I'm sure you'll find at least 50. I did. So, well, there's nothing really wrong with having a pen. In fact, everybody should have a pen because writing stuff is pretty handy. I journal on a daily basis, and it really helped me to clear my mind, get some focus in life, and become a better human. Oh! So I really encourage you to write. However, the tool that we're using matters. Even though it's just this tiny little pen. Bic, the company Bic, you know that clear plastic pen? 2 billion pens are manufactured in the US alone. And apparently, from what I found on the web, 1.6 billion are thrown away each year. And like I said, I personally have about another 30 or 50 in the drawer, and I'll bet you most of them have dried out by now and are basically useless. So, because I call myself the zero waste man and I have got a fair bit to live up to, I think, I gotta go and get myself a zero waste pen. And so in this case, I actually went cheapy. I wasn't sure. In school in Germany, actually, we have Lamy. Lamy is a very famous big company. Everybody, well, not everybody, but they make beautiful pens, and they come in all different colors. They're reusable. They are made from plastic, but the idea is to use them for many, many years to come, So I remember that back in school. But this time I opt in for what is called a pilot pen. It's a beautiful little pen, I think they have really nice, if I wasn't so shaky. Yeah, I think it's a nice pen, and I really enjoy writing with it. I really do enjoy writing with it. The problem I have with it is when I have to refill it. So, to give you a little demo, I mean, I like I said, I do love writing with this pencil. I think it's beautiful. And it was only like, it was only $30. So, it's a nice pen. The only thing, I actually bought what is called a reusable cartridge. Yeah. This one, which I didn't know, is one that you push together, creates a vacuum, and then you suck up the ink. Makes sense, right? Well, let's try. The ink. Yeah. Here's the first part. My hand is already blue. And oh, there goes more blue. Okay, it's a vacuum. Sucks up the ink. Put it back in there. Wonderful. Now, as you can see, I am not very good at it. Now, I have made a massive mess. Oh, fuck. And I'm gonna get some toilet paper or something. Yeah, so I don't think that's how it's supposed to be done. I guess that was just a good example on how not to do it. There is a solution. And I know my old Lamy pen, they actually, with this particular ink cartridge, I haven't actually managed to not turn blue. There's a better one that is a refillable cartridge that is a little screw at the back, and you can screw it. So you dip the cartridge into the ink and then you screw, and that way you screw it up and you create the vacuum, which then fills it up with ink, and you don't end up looking like this. So yeah, I hope that was a good example, and it makes the transition to a beautiful ink pen, which I still love, and I write with it every day. And thankfully you only have to refill it every, well, couple of weeks or so. And this won't happen. I hope it's not gone through. Nope. See, that's the Leuchtturm, eh? Good quality. Good quality paper. Blue. Little blue, but not really blue. So, didn't make such a big mess after all. But yeah, that's my little review on the Pilot pen. I love that pen. I just think when you buy them, buy the refillable one that has the screw at the end, and you screw the ink in there, not use that suction thing. Unless you really like blue and you just want to look like this all the time.